Isn't it crazy that an object can appear different in the mirror dimension? The mirror is not the trick here. Or maybe we use glass to show its true self. Now that is Blender magic. See if we have this monkey head reflecting on those mirrors? The normal is to appear like so. White will go white, green will go green, and so on. But if we drop another shader, like copy the principled one more time, make it a different color, and mix the two shades for this material, the mix shader will have two values, 0 and 1, where 0 is the top slot for the white and 1 is the green. Now for the magic, we have the light path node, which is crazy in itself and has many weird names on it. For example, if we take the reflective ray and plug it into the mix factor, the monkey will be white, but its reflection on the mirror will go green. So why is that? The light path options will apply the mix value 1 on certain rules and make it on 0 if the rules are not there. Like in this case with the reflective ray, it means that if the object seen through reflection, it will be a 1 value. If not, if we see it directly, it will stay 0 white. A similar option to that is the glossy ray, which is same but different, and you can see that clearly if you add a glass surface along the monkey. Now, the transmission ray is the dope here. It can make the object appear different once seen through glass, and that can give you so many ideas, because you can turn the alpha on the white shade and make it transparent. This way, you can only see the object through glass, and that's magic. Then you have some boring options like the camera ray, where anything comes directly to your view will be 1, aka blue. And if it's from reflection or passing glass, it will be white 0 value on the mix. The shadow ray is usually used in making light glass for rendering interior without noise if we mixed glass with transparent node, something you might seen before, and you can see its function if you add a transparent node to the mix and changed its color. You still have more options to explore in the node, but I usually only use the shadow ray for actual work. The reflect and transmission are just for fun, but you can play with them. And that's it. Stay away from weird experimentations and see you next time. Stay sharp. Goodbye.